another PPB MCQ series, that is a 44 series of our MCQ of the PPB subject. So as we know that we have started a series of principles and practices of banking, so that we will be able to cover unlimited questions till the exam comes in the month of November. So let's start the session. And in the MCQ series, what we are actually doing here is we are practicing a MCQ, that is a multiple choice question with a conceptual understanding, because as if you have seen the recollected questions from the May 2022 attempt, you have known that particular subject, the PPB, was very conceptual and it was quite tough for the candidates who have not read the concepts in detail, in depth. So that's why we need a particular conceptual understanding, in-depth information about the subject. Okay, so let's start the session. Before starting the session, certain information I want to give you all is that, first of all, do download the Adda 24/7 application if you have not downloaded the application, because here you will find multiple informations about your upcoming batches, upcoming sessions, and also you will get the banking awareness quizzes here, which will really help you to gain a basic banking awareness knowledge. Okay, now the next thing is, apart from that, if you have not subscribed the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, then do subscribe the channel, because this is the channel where you will find all the sessions regarding to JAIIB, CAIIB and all bank promotion exams, which is really going to help you to know about the strategy, that how you should start preparing. Apart from that, you will know here that what particular method you should use in a particular subject, how to practice questions, what level of questions will be asked in the paper. Everything will be here in this particular official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7 channel. Okay, so do subscribe the channel now, and also do not forget to press the bell icon. That is very important. Now, apart from that, one information for all of you is that right now, today, there is an offer going on which will be going to remain till the 12 p.m. noon only. So here you will find that 22% off is going on with the free shipping on all the books which are available on the application. So when we talk about that is a book fair, so there is a 22% off with the free shipping. If you use a code that is Y496S, you will definitely get 23% off plus the shipping free books at your doorstep with the help of using the Adda 24/7 application only. So you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. You can use a code Y496S and you will get 23% discount, free shipping at your doorstep. You will get your books. Okay. Now let's start the session. And starting the session, one information again I have to give you all, that what are the upcoming batches are there, which is really going to help you in your preparation. So those candidates who are waiting for the target batch or the selection batch, so I will tell you that the PPB target batch started from 5th of September. We had hardly 2 or 3 classes in this particular batch. So if you have not enrolled yet in the particular paid batch and you think you require a particular paid batch to prepare for the exam, then do make sure that you are going with the PPB batch individual if you want, or if you want all the 3 subjects combined batch, then there is a selection batch which is going to start from the 12th of September. So you will find all the 3 subjects in the selection batch going to start from 12th September, and the PPB started from the 5th of September. And apart from that, those candidates of your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the CAIIB, do let them know that the new target batch of CAIIB started from 3rd of September, and this is the batch for all the 3 subjects. And do make sure you tell them that this particular batch covers the retail banking. As you know, in the CAIIB exam, you have to choose the option. The third subject of yours will be a choice of yours, that what you want. You want rural banking, you want retail banking, you want IT, you want HR. So it depends on the candidate what subject the candidate is taking. So this particular batch is going to cover the compulsory subject, that is BFM and ABM, plus it will cover the retail banking. Okay, and to enroll in any of these batch, you can use a code Y496 and you will get here 78% discount if you purchase from Adda 24/7 application. So these are the English medium batches. If there is a candidate who want a bilingual batch, so there are 1 bilingual batch is available for the JAIIB, which is started from 5th of September. It is started from 5th of September. It's a selection batch, it's a crash course batch. All the 3 subjects will be included, and this is a bilingual batch. Similarly, 1 bilingual batch is going to start from 12th of September for the CAIIB exam. So all the 3 subjects will be here. Again, here is a retail banking, and this batch is going to start from 12th of September. So these are the bilingual batches you can enroll there. Okay, and to enroll, same process is there. You have to use the code Y496 and you will get 78% discount, and also you will get the information about the other batches. Now let's talk about that practice. So why practice is more important? Because to know that whatever you are reading is actually going to help you in your preparation or not. So to know this particular thing, you have to practice as much as you can. So one practice session we have already started on the YouTube, which is running in the English medium at 6:30 a.m. daily, Monday to Saturday, which you are joining right now. And apart from that, to do the self-practice, and to have the experience of online test, you can enroll yourself in the JAIIB test prime test series, in which 50 plus tests will be available for all the 3 subjects. If you want individual subjects test, then also individual subject batches is also available, test series is also available. To enroll in any of these, you can use the code Y496S. So do remember, for a particular batch you have to use the code Y496, and for test series and ebooks you have to add the S in the last. Okay, so these are the batches information I had to tell you, that these are the batches. You can enroll yourself and make sure that you qualify the exam in this particular November-December attempt, because from the next attempt of May 2023, the syllabus is going to be changed, the pattern is going to be changed, negative marking will be introduced. So do make sure, stay consistent in your preparation, and start and make sure that you qualify this exam in this attempt only. Okay, now let's start with the first question. The first question is asking that the dash provide clearing house facilities for netting of payments and security deliveries. So which of the following is providing the clearing house facility and also netting of payment and securities delivery? So is it a primary dealers who are performing this activity? Is it a stock exchange? Is it a depository, or is it a SEBI? So out of these 4 options, which particular option is denotes that it provide the clearing house facility as well as it provide you netting of payments and the security delivery? So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? So if we talk about SEBI, what is SEBI? SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is a regulatory body of the investment market. If we talk about primary dealers registered with RBI. RBI introduced the primary dealers, and these are the entities which participate in the selling and purchasing of government securities after getting license from RBI. Apart from that, stock exchange, we know BSE and NSE is a stock exchange on which we are doing trading of shares, bonds and debentures, or derivatives we can say, or the commodities we can say. Okay, so simply stock exchange is simply BSE and NSE, where it's a place where you can exchange your securities, where you can invest in your securities. So last is depositories. Depositories is simply a system which convert the physical security in electronic form and deposit in the investor's demat account, and it helps us to make sure that the trading take place, the settlement has been happened very quickly, and the clearance has been done. So what used to happen earlier, the BSE NSE has unlimited companies enrolled in their particular stock exchange. So the BSE NSE was not able to perform the clearing or the settlement of the candidates, or not the candidate, of the persons or the investors who are investing or who are participating in the trading of the shares and bonds. So that's why BSE and NSE created their own depository, that is known as NSDL and CDSL. So these are the depositories which help the BSE and NSE to make sure that the clearing guarantee will be given and the settlement will be done among the parties. So the right answer will be depositories. So depositories are providing the clearing house facility and also netting of payment and securities delivery. So for example, I have sold my share, so I got my payment and the other person got the ownership of the shares. Now this trading settlement will be done by this NSDL or CDSL. So these are the depositories. NSDL was introduced by NSE and the CDSL was introduced by BSE. Okay, so the right answer for this question will be your C. Next, second question. So the second question is asking what is the loan amount under renewable energy for individual households will be given under PSL. So what is PSL? We know PSL is priority sector lending. Priority sector lending simply covers the 8 important sectors, which include your agriculture, housing, education, export credit, renewable energy, social infrastructure and others. Okay, so these are apart from that we have also the education sector. So these are the 8 sectors which comes under the PSL, and these 8 sectors was selected by Government of India and RBI on the basis of the improvement and development these sectors needs. So these are the important sectors of the economy which needs improvement and development so that the country will be developed. So the development of the country will going to be happen. So In the PSL, the renewable energy will be also there. Okay, renewable energy is one of the sector of the PSL. So in renewable energy, if individual person is taking loan, if individual household is taking loan for the renewable energy, so then how much amount of loan will be given? Is it a 10 crore, 20 lakh, 30 crores or 15 lakh or none of the above? So which of the following will be the right answer? A, B, C, D or E? In the renewable energy case, in case of individual households, what amount of loan will be given? What will be the answer? So the answer for this particular question will be yours. Okay. So the answer of this particular question will be none, because it is, the limit is 10 lakh only. So individual household will get 10 lakh rupee loan only in case of renewable energy. Okay. Now the next question is, let's come to the next question. So the third question is asking about which of the following statement is not correct. You have to answer that which of the following statement is not correct, and the question is talking about the RBI's monetary policy. So first you can see here, what you can see here, RBI exercises monetary control through the CRR and SLR. First statement is saying that RBI is controlling, or RBI is exercising to control the money with the help of CRR and SLR. Second is saying clearing houses at various centers are maintained by SEBI, that there are a certain clearing houses which are maintained by SEBI. Third is saying Adda is the regulatory body of insurance market. Fourth is saying raising of money through issue of shares by a company is a part of a capital market. So what do you think, which of the following is not a correct statement about Adda, SEBI, RBI, or we can say the capital market? So which of the following is not correct? A, B, C or D? So if we talk about RBI, so RBI use the CRR and SLR in the direct instrument of monetary policy, and in which monetary control will be done by RBI. So this is the right statement. If we talk about second statement, that the clearing houses at various centers are maintained by SEBI. So the clearing houses are not comes under the SEBI, it comes under the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. So it is obvious that the second statement is not correct. So the right answer will be B, because Adda is the Insurance and Regulatory Development Authority of India that regulates the insurance market, and also if raising a money with the help of shares, a company is a part of a capital market. That's also true. So the right answer is your second option, that is clearing houses will be regulated by SEBI or comes under the SEBI. No, it comes under the RBI. Next question. During customer acceptance and identification activities, on which of the following customers should enhanced due diligence be conducted? Enhanced due diligence be conducted. So first is saying that the during customer acceptance and identification activities, on which of the following customer should enhance the due diligence be conducted? It means simply that what is due diligence? You are checking the things that this particular customer or this particular person is not going to create an issue in the bank, not going to create a certain fraud in a bank, or not doing any offensive thing in the bank. If we make this particular customer, this particular person our customer, so you have to do now, let me know that which of the following is correct, that during the customer acceptance and identification, when you are doing the KYC process, when you are accepting the customer's application, when you are identifying the customer, then which of the following steps or which of the following customer should go through the due diligence? Is it a first trustee, nominees or fiduciaries? Is it a non-face-to-face customer? Is it a correspondent account? Is it all of these? So which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? Okay, so the right answer will be all of these. All of these have to go through the due diligence. All of them have to go through the due diligence, so that at the time of customer acceptance or identification, you are finding out that there is nothing fraud or offensive going to be happen. So right answer will be all of these. Now, next, retail banking has three basic features. Okay, the retail banking, which we know, that's a day-to-day banking. When a bank provide a individual customer the services of the bank, that is known as your retail banking. So retail banking has three basic features and the business such as deposits, credit cards, insurance, investment, securities. So it's part of which of the following feature? So we are saying that the retail banking has three basic features, and the business, such as the deposit, credit card, insurance, investment securities, these are the features of the retail banking. So all these are the part of which of the following feature of the retail banking? Is it a multiple customer group? Is it a multiple products? Is it a multiple channel of distribution? Is it none of the above? So which of the following will be right answer? A, B, C, D. Which of the following is correct? Okay, so the right answer will be multiple products, because these are the different products which the retail banking is offering to their individual customer. So right answer will be your multiple products. Okay, right answer is multiple products. Next. So which of the following products in retail banking do not fall under the retail deposit products? So which of the following products which are given in the options, you have to tell that which of the following is not a part of retail banking. They don't come under the retail product or services. They don't come under the retail banking. So which product is it? Is it a no-frills account? Is it a deposit account of senior citizen? Is it a depository services, or it is all of the above? That all are not the part of the retail banking. So which of the following is not a part of the retail banking, not a product in the retail banking? A, B, C or D? So if we talk about retail banking, we know what is retail banking, right? So retail banking is when you are providing services to the individual customer. So individual customer can have a no-frills account. It was introduced in the year 2005 by RBI for the financial inclusion, in which zero balance account will be provided. Now second is deposit accounts of senior citizen. Yes, an individual citizen can open this account, so it is also a part of retail banking, but not the depository services. These are not the individual customers' work. So right answer will be C, that this is not a part of the retail banking or not a retail banking product or service. Okay, so right answer will be your C, that is depository services. We have discussed that this is a part of the capital market, in which BSE and NSE has introduced their depository receipts or their depository system, so that their trading will be done on the time. Okay, next. Okay, so the next question is, which of the following is true about the push strategy of promotion mix? So what is promotion mix? You should know this is the part of the 4 P's of marketing. This is a part of the marketing mix. So we know the marketing mix, we know the promotion mix already. So when we talk about promotion mix or marketing mix or 4 P's of marketing, it includes product mix, place mix, promotion mix and the price mix. These are the 4 P's of marketing which we are talking about. So apart from that, the question is asking that which of the following is true about the push strategy of promotion mix. So there are 2 types of strategy. One is push strategy of promotion mix and one is pull strategy of promotion mix. Push and pull. There are 2 types of strategy of promotion mix. So first is saying promotion efforts are directed towards the final consumer. Second is saying promotion efforts are direct at the channel member. Third is saying it is done through personal selling and trade promotion. And you have to tell that which of the following statement is correct about this particular question. A, B, C or D. Which of the following is correct? Only 1 and 2, only 1 and 3, only 2 and 3, only, or D is saying 1, 2, 3, all are correct. So which of the following option is correct about the push strategy, not yes, the push strategy of the market promotion mix. So there are 2 types of strategies we are talking about, push strategy and pull strategy. Okay, both are part of the your promotion mix. So promotion mix is simply a part in which we are talking about how you can promote your product with the help of advertisement, with the help of sales promotion, with the help of door-to-door selling, or we can say with the help of public relations. These are the 4 methods of doing promotion mix. So when we are doing promotion mix, these are the 2 strategy. One is push and one is second is pull. So which of the following you think is correct? A, B, C, D. Which of the following is correct? Achha, if we talk about the pull strategy or the push strategy, what are these? Let me understand. Let me explain you first what this particular strategy means. So first of all, if we talk about the push strategy is the strategy in which the company has to push the product. Company has to push the product towards the consumer. That is push strategy, that you are pushing the product of yours in front of customer so that the customer will purchase that particular product. That is your push strategy. Okay. And what is pull strategy? Pull strategy is simply when consumer itself coming towards you. Consumer itself coming towards your product, or consumer comes to you and asks for the product of yours. So these are the two types of strategy. Now push strategy, we can say you don't have a very good brand value. You don't have a very good brand value. Okay. Or we can say you don't have a very good goodwill. You don't have a goodwill. Right. And apart from that, if we talk about the pull strategy is saying that the brand value of a company is very good. Why consumer will come towards you? The goodwill is very good of the company. Why consumer will come to you and ask for your product? Because when the customer is more satisfied with your product, when the customer is more satisfied, your brand value will be good, your goodwill will be good. So in that situation, the pull strategy will work. But if you don't have a customer satisfaction with your product, then you have to go with the push strategy. I think now you will be able to answer this question. So answer for this particular question will be your C, that is only second and third statement is correct about the push strategy of promotion mix. Okay, so do remember these two strategies, these are important. Next, holidays of banks decided by, this is the simplest question of today's session. It's the simplest question, that which particular act defines the holidays of bank. Is it a Banking Negotiable Nationalization Act? Is it a RB Act? Is it a Banking Regulation Act? Is it a Negotiable Instrument Act? So in which particular act the holidays of banks are defined? Okay. So the right answer will be your Negotiable Instrument Act, because in Negotiable Instrument Act, the holidays of banks is defined. Now, if we talk about the Act, Banking Nationalization Act came in the year 1969. Also remember the year of the Act, very important. RBI came in 1934. Banking Regulation Act came in 1949. Negotiable Instrument Act came in the year 1881. Apart from that, Payment and Settlement System Act, PSS Act came in the year 2007. So these are the most important acts of the banking sector, which you have to remember, that in which year these acts were introduced. And the holidays of banks come under the Negotiable Instrument Act. There are three types of negotiable instrument, which we have: the promissory note, bill of exchange, and check. Okay. Now, those candidate who has joined the session late, again I want to tell you one information for all of you, that there is an offer going on for today only, and this offer will valid till only 12 PM, that is then 12 noon, and you will be able to get the offer of 22% off plus the free shipping on all the books which are available on Adda 24/7 application. So what you can do, you can go for this particular offer, and you can get 23% off if you purchase this particular product from the Adda 24/7 application by using a code Y496S. You will get 23% off, and apart from that, you will be able to get the free shipping of the books, and the books will be delivered to your doorstep. That will really going to help you in your preparation. So this offer is valid only for the 12 PM today. Now next thing, if you are preparing for JAIIB, next attempt you have to give for the CAIIB, and for that you need a certain batch, you need a certain guidance. So I would suggest you that apart from going for an individual batch for JAIIB, you can go with the CAIIB and JAIIB Mahapack. Here all the live classes will be included, all the video courses will be included, all the test series will be included, all the ebooks will be included, and all the upcoming batch. Let's say for example, if we plan for a case study batch in future, if we do, then that will be also enrolled in your account, and the CAIIB will also available for your next May 2023 attempt. So you can go with the JAIIB and CAIIB, the validity 12 months. That's obvious that the next attempt of CAIIB will be covered here. So to enroll in the particular Mahapack, you can use the code Y496 and you will get 78% discount on the Mahapack. So now let me know how many questions you have answered correct out of 8. Out of 8, how many answers you have given correct. Okay. So this is all for today. Let's end the session here. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. So first of all, if you are new to the Office of Adda 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Apart from that, if you like the session, do press the like button, and also share the session on your Telegram channels or the WhatsApp group where your colleagues or friends are linked to with you, who are also preparing for the same exam. And also, if you have any particular doubt, or if you know, if you want to suggest certain things that this session is useful or not, or if you want to give the feedback, you can ask. You can write in the comment section. We'll check your comment, we'll take your query there, and we'll answer your query. Okay, so that's all for today. So let's end the session. Thank you all for joining the session. Stay safe and take care.